So it's Saturday and I just got a workout in. I had a really good breakfast and decided to just get a good workout in, which got that done. John's off today and I was just tidying up and I thought I would share some of this with you. So I just emptied out that black cabinet. I'm gonna go to the furniture store and get these chairs replaced. I've been talking about this forever, but I'm doing it today. So I emptied this out. This is going to go out by the grill for the summer, and we're going to use this for grilling and to store stuff underneath there. It's pretty tough. I don't think it'll get weathered too bad out there, but it doesn't matter. I'm not planning to bring it back in. It was either just, it's really kind of a cheap thing anyway that we bought, and I'm just going to put it out with the grill. We have a covered deck, and it's pretty dry. I think it'll be okay. So anyway, that's where it's going. So, and that'll give us an extra little outside cooking area because we do grill a lot. And then I just emptied out. I took everything out of here. Pretty much I just got some Tupperware stuff that I'm going to take out and put this in the overflow. Where I'm storing extra dishes and things like that in the laundry room area on those shelves. Oops, that was loud. And then under here, I just cleaned all of this out. And I've got all my white dishes here that I don't use when I entertain, and I set this table in here. I use those dishes. And then I have my mother-in-law's, like her silver, and my mom and my mother-in-law's kind of older crystal-y pieces. And I don't know, some of those are real heavy glass. I don't know if they're worth anything, but they're worth something to me. And I've got a whole set of dishes with this that I love, but they're stored. But I keep these out because I use those with the white sometimes. And then every now and then we do get these dishes out. This is the little egg platter. I love this set. It's a farmhouse kind of set, and love this piece. So I'm going to keep all this stuff over here. This is some actual silverware. It's got to be polished though, and I think I'm just going to give that probably to my daughter, and anything that my daughter doesn't want, I might give some to, I'm probably going to give some to my sister too. So, all right, that's kind of that for now. And I feel a little better, but I'm still feeling like I got so much to do. And then this is all the stuff I have that was in that cabinet. Like I had these black bowls here that I'm getting rid of because I used to have black dishes. Get rid of all of those. Look at that. It doesn't look that great. I painted this and it's kind of got some, I think it's got some tape still. Yeah, little piece of tape still on the bottom there. Got that off. So I'm getting rid of these. And I'm keeping these. I'm going to store these in my closet for my home decor because it's got a bunch of, well, odds and ends. This is going to have to go with my Halloween stuff. I need to sort it still. This will go with Halloween. This will go with Halloween. This is random stuff I had in my china cabinet when I cleaned it out. Some pads to go under chairs. I like to have these on hand, and if we get new chairs, I will probably use these if they don't have a padding underneath so they don't scrape on the floor. And then my candles. I love candles, and I'm going to hang on to all of those, and some lights and some extra, oh, here's some extra batteries for the lights. Kind of random stuff. I'm going to keep that while I'm decorating. I'm going to keep this handy. I probably should put some of these in, like get rid of the cardboard boxes and put these into tubs. So, but I'm moving slowly, and I am getting things tidied up little by little. It feels good, but I'm feeling kind of restless today. It's 4th of July weekend, but I want to get ready for the kids. They're going to come over next week, and so yep. So I'm just getting a little bit done, not too much. Yeah, I've gotten a lot done today. I'm like, got a pretty good workout in. I've been listening to a book, an audio book called The Keeper of the House. Keepers of the House. Anyway, I'm listening to that. It's a novel, and anyway, it's really good. And that's what I've been listening to as I've been kind of decluttering and tidying up. And I got through my china cabinet. I've got quite a bit of stuff from Goodwill back in the back of my car, so I'm going to drop that off, and I am going to head to the furniture store and hopefully find some chairs. I've already found chairs. The reason I mean, this is like ridiculous. Like, I find chairs and then I come home like, well, okay, those aren't quite white. I'm going with white or off white, and I just I'm so afraid to make the wrong choice that I'm not even making a decision. So I've decided I'll probably just end up going with slightly off white for the dining room. That's fine. I'm done with this. I'm getting chairs. I'm not putting this off anymore. And I'm like, it's just kind of gotten kind of wacky, you know. So I can hear rattling back there. I don't know if you can hear that glass. I probably should have, I stacked some, I should have probably done something a little bit better with that, but I did not. So, yeah, I should have packed it, but I'm not going that far, so I'll be fine. Whoops. Anyway, so I'm going to go to Goodwill, and then I'm going to run to the furniture store, and then I'm going to run to Sam's Club, and I'm taking you guys along for this really exciting day in my life. It's the 4th of July weekend, and I'm out running errands. So anyway, I'll be back in just a minute. Let me get off the highway and over to Goodwill. So I finally did it. I ordered 6 new chairs. 2 are captain's chairs, and they will be here Wednesday, and the other 4 they have today, so I'm going to pick those up, which is good because I brought my Pathfinder, and I didn't bring the truck. I don't know what I was thinking, but I kind of figured they wouldn't have them in stock anyway, and I'd have to come back to pick them up. So I'm going to pick 4 up now, and then the 2 captain's chairs I will pick up on Wednesday. And they are slightly off white, so I'm like, ugh, but I think they're gonna be fine, you know. I mean, I don't need to do matchy, and maybe it'll be better than. I think they'll go okay with the table. I did really like the way that white looked against the table. The white, I'd put the white chairs from the kitchen, I'd put kind of next to the dining room table, and I really liked the way they looked, but. I cannot find the fabric I want and the style I want in the white, so I just went with off white. It's subtle. So oh man, okay, I gotta park. So okay, I'm back home. I was able to get 4 new chairs today, and then the 2 captain chairs for the end will come on Wednesday. So here's the black chairs I have now. I'm just gonna I wanted to show you the difference. So here is what it looks like with the black chairs, which I just don't like. And I was trying to match the white chairs back there, but there's just no way to get the seat cover and everything that I want. So I went with off-white, and we're just going to replace these black ones. And here's how it looks without the black chairs and adding these are slightly off. They're actually called white, but they're called two-tone, and but they were off-white compared to, like, I don't know if you can tell with the white chair in there, that's very white. The stair railing is very white, and this is just slightly off-white. And that was really bothering me, and you can see the white, hi John.
Hi.
The white closet door, how white, but I think it's gonna be good. I'm glad I went with white in the kitchen, right against the railing, but I like this. It's not as off-white as we thought, huh John?
Right, it's more bright white than just off-white.
And here's the brand. And it's slightly it's like a country cottage style, and a little bit of scuffy like here. It's not quite as distressed as the kitchen chairs were, but slightly. And you can see the white trim here, or the white that I painted, and it's kind of off-white, but I like it. I like the brown, even though gray is really in style for the upholstery chair. Like, gray is what's really in right now. But I didn't want gray. Call me a rebel. But I wanted this color, and I like it with the gray floor. I didn't want gray and on gray. So that's the table. And then we're gonna get rid of the black chairs, and in a couple of days we will have 2 chairs on the end, and they'll be same. They actually are the captain chairs to these chairs, so they will match in fabric and wood. They'll just be slightly different style. And of course, Roscoe he's the big cheese. He always gets the big chair. So that's where I'm at so far. I am making progress. So I'm really happy that I ultimately went and bought those. They were the ones I originally wanted from the beginning. And then when I went to look at them, the guy did point out that they aren't quite, they're going to be off-white. And the showroom in some of the furniture stores, particularly this one, it's a store called American Furniture. They have, they don't have natural light. So you have to really be careful when you, to make sure that you match the furniture, like the wood, the color that you want, because whenever you get it home, it's usually, whatever you buy there is going to be a little darker when you get it home if there's no natural light. So, but I have to say, John and I were both very pleased. He was like, I thought you said these were off-white. They're like almost white. Like, they look white to me. But I said, I did point out they aren't as white as the kitchen chairs. They're definitely not as white as that. And I'm so glad that I ultimately went. I'm so glad I painted first of all, I painted the dining room table rather than replacing it. I am so happy with that decision. And I'm very happy with the chairs. They were, the chairs I bought today were $88 a piece. Which is not bad for chairs. These were a good price, and I can't wait to show you the 2 captain's chairs that I picked out. I was originally going to go with 6 of those captain chairs, and I'm glad I did this. So, all right, I will. I'm going to run to Sam's Club now. So that's my next stop. They have this 6-piece sheet set by Sanctuary King, $24.98. Let's see, that's for the king. I need a queen for our guest room. And this is so soft. So soft. Oh, here's queen. Huh, look at there. So whoops. Whoa, whoa. This is kind of a green. There. Oh, this is king, so I have to make sure I get so it's 6-piece set. It's microfiber, easy care, wrinkle resistant, oversized fitted sheet. And so here's a queen, and it is sort of the green. This just looks a little more clean look for me, a little more color, like a gray green. Mark, $11.98, and I'm getting white. They do have it in blue. and they have it in a green, I guess, maybe, but I want the white. It is for mine. I think I'll be okay with white. I like white towels. They do have these cotton gauze blankets, $39. And it's a queen king. I kind of like that with this. Alright, so I'm going to go with the queen. It's a queen 450 thread members mark 4-piece sheet set, $44.98 instead of the, I was looking at the microfiber, this one, but I decided this one's more, but I'm going to get what I like because I don't plan to buy another one for a while, and I'm going to get this. So I got that. I got this really nice plush, it's a bath rug, but I'm going to use it at the side of the bed. And this was $14 for that rug. I still have a bath mat here I bought for the bathroom, and then this, which is the gauze blanket, Queen King, and I just think that's going to be really fresh and nice for the guest bedroom. I did splurge a little bit, and I got the new sheets for the guest bed. I got a nice gauze blanket, lightweight. I think it's perfect for summer. And I got a couple of throw rugs, you know, one for the guest room, one for the bathroom. And I feel better. I told John I've been wanting to kind of spruce up that guest room for a while, and the furniture in there is kind of dark. The wall is kind of dark. I'd like to eventually paint that wall, or the walls, but it's still like a light blue. I think eventually I need to paint it and then get new closet doors. But in the meantime, this will go a long way to lighten that space. And yeah, got a workout in, got my dining room chairs put around the table except for 2 of them, and got my Sam's Club shopping done. So I feel like I had a really productive day, and I'm gonna go home and chill out now. It's about 3:49, and I think John and I are going to have either some of the rice I bought tonight or the country steak. I don't know. He's gonna grill tomorrow though. We've got the steak and the burgers for tomorrow, so I think he's gonna do the steak tomorrow and then the burgers. Not sure when he's gonna do those. Anyway, but he's got plenty of meat to grill, so he is a happy camper, even though we're not camping yet. We are going to go camping in a couple of weeks though. So all right guys, well thanks for hanging out with me, and I feel this was a really good day, and I feel like I've had about 4 days in a row where I've just kind of felt like myself again. So maybe I'm on the uphill climb to feeling maybe I'm over the worst part. I'll keep you guys posted though on the vertigo. So many of you have said you have it as well, and you know, it sort of comes and goes. So I always stay optimistic that I'm done, but you know, we'll see. We will see. But I'm having a really good day, so hope you are too. Take really good care, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.
I know you're all about the good vibes. Do you know how much I love you? Wanna see you smile. Where's the happy girl that I know with a heart on fire?